In this lesson, we will apply if plus and or functions for complex decision making. We want to offer a special promotion based on two conditions. A customer must have at least 10 orders, and they also need either high sales or VIP status. Now, we need an and condition, orders plus or equal with 10, combined with an or condition for sales bigger or equal with 1000 or VIP status equal with yes. For this, we will write in column E, cell E2, our combined formula. So equal if it's the main function, and in the first logical test, we will have our first AND formula. Again, we'll press tab, and the third one will be OR function. So now I will open the third bracket and I will write the first logical, which is linked to our B2 value of sales, bigger or equal with $1,000. So B2 must be bigger or equal with 1000. Now I'm going to logical 2, which is linked to our VIP status, which is yes in our condition. I will close the first bracket from OR function, and now after next comma, I will go to finish the AND function. So now I'm in the logical 2 for AND function, because logical 1 basically was our OR function. So continuing with AND logical 2 argument, we need to have orders bigger than 10 or at least equal with 10. So I will put C2 bigger or equal with 10. And now I'm ready with the AND function. So now we have the entire logical test for our if function. And going to value if true, we will have yes, or if value is false, we will have no. So let's take again. We have all the functions if and or. First is linked to our sales and VIP status. Then we have the second argument, which is linked to our orders, and both will give us the if result for our logical test. I will hit enter and select till down, Ctrl D, and we have the results. So now let's see in details. So first, OR function checks if sales are high or the customer is VIP. And for this we have B2 and function and confirms they also have at least 10 orders. If then returns yes for those who qualify, otherwise returns no. This technique is used in marketing campaigns, sales reports, and also financial analysis. You can use similar formulas for employee bonuses, shipping rules, or different types of checks or eligibility reports. So, again, if I will change the number of orders from John, for example, let's say that he has 9, you see that the special offer becomes no, because the first condition, which is linked to the number of orders, minimum 10, it's not more completed. So now we can put here again 15, and now here if on Michael row we will put, let's say, VIP status yes, but number of orders 9, let's say 10, it's still yes. On 9 it becomes no, because again the order numbers should be at least 10. That's why in our formula our function, the condition of 10 orders, it's mandatory.